Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, a vaccine is coming. It's ready. It's on the way. Pfizer has announced that their vaccine is ready, and it's a 90% effective rate. Out of all the people that they've tested with it, 90% of them, it helped. So a vaccine is coming. Ben Carson has now tested positive for COVID. This vaccine from Pfizer, 90% effective rate. Most vaccines only has 65 to 70% effective rate. Y'all, we are 1.5 weeks away from the FDA approving this for widespread use. It's going to happen. I mean, this is the best news we've ever had for anything, even better than any stimulus package. Maybe we can start getting back to normal. By the end of 2020, there will be 50 million vials of this vaccine available. By the 2021, it will be over 1 billion vials available. They will pass it out to the first responders first, and then they will pass it out to the general public. The vaccine will be available for free. This is what Pfizer has said. And Pfizer is the only company that did not take research money from the government. They footed the bill for all of this research and development themselves. Now they also say they will pass it out for free. This is very good news. I would hate to think what this vaccine would cost if you had to buy it. This is very good, and I'm so grateful for this information and this breakthrough. But don't y'all remember everyone saying that COVID would go away when Donald Trump is voted out of office? Coincidence? I'm not so sure. Because Pfizer is the only one that didn't take research money, and now Trump is voted out of office, or fast going to be. And now all of a sudden we got a vaccine. I don't care what the reason is behind it, we've got a vaccine. That's the bottom line. But in any case, we will be getting back to normal soon after the vaccines go out. This is the best news we've ever had, ever since this whole COVID thing has started anyway. Y'all, it's looking very good for this vaccine. It's 90% effective, and the FDA is 1.5 weeks of approving it for widespread use. This is remarkable. I mean, the end is coming for COVID. And Pfizer, thumbs up, y'all. Y'all, continue to pray. Pray to God that this vaccine works and it comes readily available the way they're saying it will. Pray that everybody lines up and takes it. Because if you don't take it, it won't help. And 90% effective rate, that's good enough for me. I'll be in line. I mean, you go get a flu shot, it's nowhere near that much effective rate. And the flu, you know, that's common occurrence. But now this has closed the whole world down. We can get past this. So pray to God that this vaccine is approved and it's going to be readily available. Y'all, I love you all. We will get out of this. Please watch the video that's popping up here now, and just know I love you all. And please come tonight to the Late Night with Walter show. It's at 9 p.m. tonight. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics there. We just have a lot of good fun. If you've never been there, come on by. Try it out for one time. And if you don't like it, you ain't got to come back. But please, come try it out. I love you all. Ciao.